It is time for a little bit of science fun. Here's 13 ABC Chief Meteorologist Jay Burschbach and Imagination Station's Chief Scientist Carl Nelson.
Good morning once again. I'm meteorologist Jay Burschbach with Carl Nelson at the Imagination Station. Today, the air vortex cannon experiment on all different levels. We're going to start small and work our way up. Go ahead, Carl.
Right. Now, this is a toy you can buy, right? It's the Airzuka, right? It's the,
yes, I love it. Bring it to schools all the time.
Blast of air. And so it's just a membrane and a tube with an opening on the end. Now you could make one of these at home if you want and sort of supersize it.
Okay.
And you can do that with a garbage can.
All right.
All you need is a garbage can, and you're going to cut a hole in the bottom. Ask mom and dad before you cut the hole in the bottom, right?
Okay.
Cut a hole about the size of a CD, and on the other end, stretch an old shower curtain, right? You can tape it in place, you can bungee it in place, but what's cool about this is we've even put handles on ours or straps on ours, so you can very gently tap the back of it, and we'll shoot towards the camera.
Nice.
And you can see these beautiful little smoke vortices that come out. But the really cool thing about it, it carries a little bit of force with it as well, and will travel quite a ways across the room.
Okay.
So behind us over here, or in front of us, we've got some tiny little paper cups set up.
Okay, so hit it a little bit harder?
Hit a little bit harder.
Okay, are you ready? You're ready. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Missed.
The nice thing about the Vortex is that it gives you an aiming device.
You know exactly where it's going.
You know exactly where it's going. Now, this is bigger. You can do this at home, but here at the Imagination Station, we want to take it one step further, which is our giant air vortex cannon, which is about 4 feet in diameter, 5 foot long. And we're going to fill this up with some theatrical smoke.
Okay.
We're going to see if we can knock down targets that are way, way, way away. And also just look at the giant rings this thing makes.
Wonderful.
It's really cool.
All right.
I'm going to blast in some smoke. We're going to fill up the cavity. Now I'm going to pull back and release a vortex. Let's see if we can knock down some of those cups we set up over there.
All right, 3, 2, 1. That's gonna get him. Oh yeah.
All right.
That is wonderful. That is such a large ring.
You can actually see the ring traveling, can you not?
It is. It looks so gentle while it's floating there, but you can see the force once it hits those cups and knocks them over fairly violently.
So the nice thing is the vortex will travel many, many feet across our atrium here. It's really pretty cool to see that.
It just keeps going.
Perfect ring hitting the lights.
That is so neat. That is so neat.
I can see parents at home or a dad at home trying to make this in the garage.
Wonderful. Just need one of these smoke machines you can buy at a magic shop or a store.
Around Halloween time, they sell these things. You can get them all year round.
That is so neat. Neat stuff showing about air vortices and how they look pretty, but do have some force with them.
Exactly. And you can visualize them with the smoke as well. Interesting thing, though, to try would be to cut a square or triangular hole on the end of your target and see what sort of ring it creates. I'll leave that as an at-home
experiment. Okay, some homework for the folks at home today watching. So great experiment, really visual and very neat. Cool. Thanks again, Carl.
Sure.
For Carl Nelson, I'm meteorologist Jay Burschbach. That was Imagine It.